Hi, my name is Rajiv Sakhuja. You can call me Raj. A big thank you to you for joining my course. This is my fourth course on Udemy. My last course was on Ethereum decentralized application development. That course has been very well received by the students and the blockchain community. There are two reasons why I decided to create this course. Number one, many students enrolled in my Ethereum decentralized application course suggested that I develop a course on Hyperledger technologies. Number two, I have seen many development teams struggling to understand this complex technology. Let me explain this. Hyperledger Fabric is a relatively complex technology compared to Ethereum and other blockchain platforms. There are way too many moving parts, tools, and concepts that need to be learned before a developer can become productive. Information and learning resources are still scarce, so that is another challenge. So the obvious question is, how would this course help? My objective for this course: accelerate learning by carving out an optimal learning path. Here is the approach I have taken. I'll cover only the knowledge areas that are absolutely needed for a developer to become productive. I've selected the right set of tools and will assist in addressing common tools and setup related issues. We'll carve out that optimal learning path. Please note, this course is on development, so I will not be covering the details of Hyperledger infrastructure architecture or tools that are not needed for development. Let's go over the main parts of the course. Number one, we'll start by covering what is Hyperledger. Then we'll lay out the foundation. You will learn the concept of Fabric distributed ledger technology. By end of this part, you would be comfortable with the concepts and terminology of Hyperledger Fabric and Composer framework. Then it would be time to get ready for the development. So we'll install a number of tools on your machine. You will learn about each of these tools and you will be asked to try these tools out on your own by way of exercises. There are some known challenges with some of these tools, but no issues. I'll share the solutions. Then we'll dive deeper into the working of Hyperledger Fabric technology. As part of this, I'll walk you through the configuration and setup of the Fabric development environment. Now this is where the fun begins. I'll introduce you to a fictitious airline company that has decided to go forward with the adoption of Hyperledger Fabric technology. So you will help them realize their dreams. Then you will learn Composer business domain modeling language. Using that, you would develop domain model for Acme Airline. You will learn the Composer API and then use those APIs for developing chain code or smart contract in JavaScript. Using the knowledge of Composer SDK, you will write client code that can be used in node-based mid-tier applications. At the end, you will be given the responsibility to independently develop a network application for Acme. That is, you will do a project, an assignment. So let's get going. But before that, a few suggestions to get the most out of this course. Number one, get your hands dirty as much as possible. Code, code, code. That is the best way to get up to speed with development. Number two, don't be afraid to experiment. Number three, use the Q&A forum to discuss your experience, your issues, your thoughts. Number four, if you are having trouble, start by searching in the Q&A forum. If you don't find anything, post a new question. Reach out to me directly if you need help. Last but not least, I need your help. Hyperledger technology is still evolving. Things will change, so please do let me know if you see something that needs to be updated or added. Do provide your feedback, just one request there. Spend some time in the beginning to scan all the sections to get a feel of what's coming. Concepts can be boring and sometimes hands-on exercises may not be possible. Video and audio errors are possible and can easily be rectified. Just let me know. Focus is on Composer development tools, so course will not cover all of the tools in great details if they are not related to the development. Once again, thank you for joining my course. I hope you enjoy this course as much as I did creating it, and happy learning, and see you in the class.